Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. This time we are really going to try and save you some time and we're going to teach you about the mass updating feature. And there's three things that you're going to be able to mass update within your system, and to get to those we're going to go to products and down to mass update. The three things that you can mass update are your stock, your prices, and your factor groups. So you have to have gone through the factor group how-to video and how to set up the factor groups before getting to this stage if you want to be able to mass update your factor groups. The reason being that if you don't have any in your system, you won't be able to mass update them. So in order to mass update, we're going to go to products, mass update, and say we want to change our stock. We just got a new inventory, we got a new uptick. What we're going to do is click on that, and our inventory is already set up in the system. We're then going to go through and update them all. So if we click on to update our stock of this acoustic guitar, I can change it to 20, and then by hitting the tab button on your keyboard, move down to the next one, and you can move pretty quickly along, changing your entire stock levels. So make sure that you do it correctly though, don't go too fast so that you mess up your entire inventory levels. But then once you've done that, you're going to click Save Stock. That's how you're going to update your stock, and really fast way to do it through the mass update. You can do the same thing through prices. If you're going to go through and add either your prices before, or if you need to add your cost prices, which is a new feature with RentalTrax, you can come in here to your mass product update. You're going to add your cost prices. So we're going to add that this was a $100 cost, and then you can go through and use the tab button again to get through each area, and we'll say that this was a $150 cost, and again go through every single section and update your costs, and once again save price. Go through and do the mass update will save you tons of time. Instead of going into list products, clicking on each piece, changing the price based on that, you've now got your cost price put into here, and you can save yourself lots of time. Same thing with your factor groups. Once you've got your factor groups created, you go in here and you can update your factor groups by clicking on the drop down menu here, hit tab, use your arrow keys to add standard rental factor group to them, or you can use shift tab to go backwards and remove them as well using your arrow keys, and then save your factor groups. It takes a little bit of playing with, but it'll save you tons of time in the end by using your mass update feature in your RentalTrax system. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 888-925-6236. That's 888-925-6236. Send us an email to info@rentaltrax.com, or use the green support button on the right-hand side, or you can check out their website at www.rentaltrax.com.